Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to make a poll on Instagram application. So the first thing we have to do now is just go open the Instagram application, and when you already open it, you will be in the home section. In this home section, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you have an access into the story section. In the story section, you need to take any picture, or you can also use a picture that you save on your gallery or photo library. You just need to find out which pictures that you want to add to. For example, this coffee. Okay, and then you just need to go into this features here, go click this middle features, and after that you will gonna find a poll. In this poll, just need to click it and add the question that you want to ask into your audience. For example, what coffee is best? You can type a Arabica, for example, or the other side, Robusta. When you're done with all of this question, you just need to go click anywhere and start adjusting the position as well as adjusting the size. Whenever you're done, you just need to go click add into your story. And that's all. That's the way how to create a poll on Instagram. If you find this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.